Alright, so today class we're going to be talking about mitosis. Mitosis is basically, the purpose of it is cell division, okay? So it's when your cells divide. So it only happens in your body and only in somatic cells, body cells. So it don't happen in plants and all that other stuff, it's just animal cells. So there are 4 stages. Well, there can be 5 stages. And those stages are interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, so interphase is where DNA actually regenerates itself. So you have an S phase and a G phase. Okay, so each chromosome undergoes replication and it makes an identical copy of itself. At this point, the chromosomes are still long and thin and are not visible inside the nucleus. Okay, so the main stages, however, of mitosis would be prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In interphase, this is where your DNA replicates. So that's the only major thing that happens in interphase, DNA replication. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is make an illustration of the other 4 phases, which are the main ones. Go ahead. Alright, so prophase. We have a cell, and in that cell, you have chromatin. Chromatin is basically, you know, what we talked about last week class. Chromatin is like DNA, okay? So we're going to start off with 2 parent cells, okay? So then in metaphase is basically when the chromosomes meet at the equilateral plate. So this would be the equilateral plate. So they'll all come together. So in prophase, they're just like anywhere, right? So in metaphase, they'll all come together and meet in the middle. So if this one was over here and this one was over here in prophase, in metaphase, they'll all just line up in the middle. Okay. Next is anaphase. So in anaphase, that's when the chromatins are going to break apart. So right now you have 2 pairs, right? So you're going to have still your equilibrium plate. You're going to go like this, like this, like this, and like that. So you'll have 4 now. So they broke apart. Okay? Telophase. Now you're going to have 2 cells, 2 new cells. So at this process, you'll have, these are going to come together, right? So you have 2 new cells in telophase. And the 2 chromosomes. And this is our new copy right here. We're going to make that in black. Okay? So that's basically the whole process of mitosis. So DNA replicates. You have all your cells you have all your chromosomes in the cell, which is prophase. Metaphase, so when they meet up at the middle plate. Anaphase, they go to different sides. And in telophase, you end up having 2 cells. And that's it. Any questions? Okay.